guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can protect your skin from extreme color grading on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to color grade this video, just go to adjustments and go to basic, and you want to add an LUT. And as you can see, some of these affect the skin a lot, and you just want it to affect the background. Like this one affects the skin, sorry. So we're just going to go with that example. So in LUT, there's the skin tone protection. Turn it on to make skin tone more natural. If I enable it, as you can see, it does protect the skin tone, but it does affect like how different it is. But you can go back to saturation and change it to make it blend more with the background and make it look less green. And again, with everything, just adjust it to the LUT. As you can see, this one, the skin isn't really different from the background, even though I did enable skin tone protection. But the other one did, so I had to adjust it in saturation. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.